So here's how to fix Google Chrome screen shifted to the right or left. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the three dots on the right upper side, then go to the settings. Now after that you need to go to the system option, and then from here you need to turn off the use graphics acceleration when available. So mine is already turned off. If you have this turned on, you need to turn this off. So basically it will fix the issue of you, but if it doesn't, then you need to go to the about Chrome, and now you need to simply update your Chrome. If you have updated your Chrome successfully, then you can simply go to the reset settings and simply go with the reset settings to their original defaults. Alright, select that one and simply go with the reset settings. So that's how you can fix Google Chrome screen shifts to the right or left. So hope this video helped. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.